Mahito's true form from Jujutsu Kaisen. Taking me a long time to draw this. I was kind of underwhelmed with it in the anime. It was cool in the manga. It was good in the anime too. It's just I thought the manga did it better. Sometimes the manga does it better. So let's draw it. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause, we'll go fast. Start with the head. His head's a bit small, probably have to zoom in. Right, so I guess we'll start with that weird mouth. So we just bump it up and over. Right, and then the bottom, it's like a big Joker sort of smile. And there's like stitches. On the corners. If you're doing manga, you could like do just black, fully black stitches if you wanted. Then teeth in there, so they're kind of curvy. Down here. So then his head is like strange. So we go like this. Spiking around. Kind of like a mushroom or something. Kind of goes into the corner of his mouth there. And there's some more that join the jaw, I think. But we've got all these textures then. Coming out from his top lip. What else? Yeah, I think we got like wider side of his jaw here. Goes down this way. Then like a big chin. Like so, I think. There's all these textures on his skin, I think, as well. Right, so super muscular, like alien muscles though, very weird, not human looking. So I'll go that way. That way. And then like another one just in towards the chest. So like real weird, right? Kind of human, but just a little bit off. Very wide trapezius, where your neck joins your back. It might be a bit high. It'd be okay. We can make it work. Wasn't sure if it was. Looks like it might be a bit lower in the picture, but he just worked his traps that day. That's all. So they're bigger, wrinkled and stuff. So these two muscles go into the middle of your chest, right? So the middle of his chest is here. So the top of his chest goes that way. Top of this goes over here. And his chest muscles are like these sort of bumps like that, right? It's not like a line which we usually draw. It's kind of weird, like that. So it curves down. And each of these is like kind of like a bumping line like so. And it has sort of textures going over it like this. Same pretty much over here. So that's his chest, quite strange, right? So we're looking at kind of 3/4, right? So we can see like his ribs, like his side body kind of bumps down this way, right? On this side. And then on this side, it's kind of here. And we got like abs all here, and we got a diaphragm line. So the diaphragm line is like at the top of the abs. There's like some more stuff in there. And then we got abs in here. And they draw in pretty much each ab muscle. And then over here, there's like rib cage sort of lines, but they're like, I think they're called obliques. We got some over here as well. So, shoulder muscle, big one, sticks out further than this side because we're viewing them sort of side on. Shoulder muscles are kind of like love heart shaped, kind of. Right. And then his bicep is down there. Tricep down that way. And then his forearm goes off the page. And on this side we have a big spike coming out of the elbow. And some stitches here. Do the stitches first. So there's a big weapon coming out this way. And it's kind of like bursting out of his skin. And we just go, kind of change his direction. This is kind of zigzaggy, kind of jagged weapon. Like this. I think. Little edge line, just make it look a bit three-dimensional. Little trick I learned. For some reason, it helps making it look 3D. And then other shoulder muscle, so very big. bicep is in behind his rib cage on this side. And then the tricep there. And again, the forearm has a spike coming out of it. But we'll just do some textures on those muscles, I think. Right, the spike. What way does that go? So we go up. This one's kind of lower down now. Gets a bit jaggedy down near the bottom, and then we'll give it an edge. Boom. So, what am I missing? A bit of texture down here. Then, does he have a headband? What's happening with the... I never noticed that before. It's funny, you could watch an anime for years, literally, and you know a character, and then when you come to draw it, you go, was that always there? So it's just like a zigzag. Crazy. I'm not even worried about like what way I do that. I'm just making it sort of jaggedy. You know, just crazy kind of. Just make it look a bit torn. And then we go this way. And that, my friends, is how to draw Mahito true form. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.